Take a look at this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium unit on the 9th floor. You can enjoy stunning sunsets from your balcony. The condo has 1 assigned parking space. The condominium fees cover gas, electric, HVAC, water, sewer, trash removal, ground maintenance, 7-day reception desk coverage and doorman, elevator usage, Cox Ultimate Cable package, 250+ channels, access to the saltwater pool, library, expansive community/meeting room with water views, and a full kitchen. Residents also have access to a boat dock, with boat slips available for yearly resident rental, an outdoor grilling area, assigned storage. Lastly, a full-time maintenance supervisor, condo manager, front desk receptionist, and doorman are on site. August 20, 2025.